About this item: Modern Forms fans pair with the smart home tech you know and love, including Google Assistant, Amazon Alexa, Samsung SmartThings, Ecobee, Control 4, and Josh AI. Coming soon, Savant, Lutron Homeworks, and Nest. Free app download. Sync with our exclusive Modern Forms app to control fan speed. Use smart features like breeze mode, adaptive learning, create groups, and reduce energy costs. New, Bluetooth compatible for improved range and an unlimited amount of fans can be controlled with remote or wall control within range. Battery operated Bluetooth remote control with wall cradle included. Part #FRCBTWT. Optional Bluetooth hardwired wall control sold separately. Part #FWCBTWT, and can be set up as 3 or 4-way switches when you purchase more than one. Can be controlled through an Android or iOS wall-mounted tablet with Wi-Fi. Modern Forms fans are made with incredibly efficient and completely silent DC motors and are up to 70% more efficient than traditional fans. Every fan is factory balanced and sound tested to ensure each fan will never wobble, rattle, or click. Replaceable LED luminaire powered by WAC lighting, features smooth and continuous brightness control. Available in 2700K, 3000K, and 3500K options. Order accordingly.